The auto start function in the MIWE roll-in. Your oven should be ready to bake when you need it and not take a long time to heat up until it is at temperature. This is ensured with the simple auto start function. To do this, we go to Settings in Auto Start Times at the top center. Select the appropriate day and enter the start time. In this case, 2:30 a.m. The last selected baking program appears automatically. If there are two shifts on one day, so the first ending at 5 a.m. and the second starting at 7 a.m., it is possible to store a second baking time for this day, thereby accommodating more than one work shift. But here it is important to activate Auto Start after off, so that the oven also goes into Auto Start after being switched off.